Some people say that accounting is just in Bryant's DNA, and it has been for 158 years, and that's really true. If you think about the qualities that make an ideal accounting student, they're the same qualities that make an outstanding Bryant student. We want students who want to work hard, who want to really dig in and identify what makes a company successful, who want to spend time thinking about what could make a good company a great one. And we spend a lot of time doing that in accounting. But that's an important part of the curriculum for Bryant all across the institution. What sets Bryant University's top-ranked award-winning accounting program apart is really a couple of things. The first thing is the faculty spend a lot of time conversing with each other and with industry partners to make sure that the curriculum we have in place is cutting edge. The other thing that sets it apart is the faculty and student interaction. The professors know the students in the accounting program at Bryant University and are vested in their success on an individual basis. Bryant University's accounting program prepares students for success by always keeping our eye on the ball, making sure that the students have both the soft skills and the technical skills they need to be successful when they graduate from our program. Accounting and analytics are actually interrelated in a really important way. Within accounting, we teach our students about the numbers on the financial statements, what they mean, how they're prepared within a company, but we also teach students how to understand and evaluate data, to make it speak to us. And when we overlay those two skill sets together as part of the accounting major, what we end up with is a really powerful combination. Bryant University's accounting faculty, they come from all over the world. They also bring with them a variety of real-world experiences, from industry to professional practice, and they don't leave those connections behind when they come to Bryant University. If you were to walk into a classroom, an accounting class at Bryant University, you'd see students engaged in an in-depth conversation, a discussion not just about the rules of accounting, but about the underlying principles. In order to really master accounting, you need to understand not just the rules that are in place, the debits and the credits, but you need to understand why. You need to understand the information and what the financial statements are telling us about a company's performance. Accounting students at Bryant University will get exposure to a variety of technology and tools. Tools such as Excel, SAS, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and more, in order to not only see the numbers, but also see a picture of what the data shows us either within a company or across an industry. When you come out of Bryant University's accounting program, you'll be ready to take that CPA exam or the CMA exam or a variety of other professional exams that will allow you to be at the top of your field in accounting. Bryant University's been around for over 150 years. And its reputation for excellence in accounting is long-standing. As a result of that, our students enjoy a tremendous number of opportunities with the top employers within the profession, including PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, Deloitte & Touche, Ernst & Young, and others. The jobs and the internships that our graduates get are consistently among the most sought after and highest rated within the industry. This is something that I actually checked out myself. I went through, I think it was last year, and verified graduate by graduate and where they ended up, and it was unbelievable. Accounting is one of the bedrock foundational majors at Bryant University. Our long-standing reputation enables our graduates immediately to have access to some of the very best the profession has to offer.